Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, Flying High. In jungle, birds were busy in praising themselves. Everyone was talking about their uniqueness. We are going to study what happens after that. First bird says, "On my head I have a crest, all say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud, before the rain I cry aloud." What is the name of this bird? It's peacock. Peacocks have crest on their head. Also, they have beautiful feathers. Peacocks dance and before the rain they cry aloud or make a louder sound. Second bird says, "Long and grooved is my tail, high up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice, the eagle is what you call me." This is the picture of eagle. Eagles have long and grooved tail. They fly high in the sky. Eagles eat small animals like mouse. Next bird says, "My feathers are green, my beak's red, guava and green chili I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise." Name of this bird is parrot. Parrots have green feathers and red beak. The domesticated parrots are fed guava and green chili. When taught well, the domesticated parrots are capable of making or imitating people's voice. Next bird says, "Black are my feathers and black is my beak. Cow, cow I do all day long." It is one of the familiar bird, crow. Crows make sound like cow, cow. Crows help in cleaning the environment. When the leftover food is kept in open or thrown away in open, crows eat that food, and in this way they help in cleaning the environment. Also, crows have religious significance in Hinduism. Next bird says, "Kuhu, kuhu is my sound, everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame, Coil or cuckoo is my name." This is the picture of Coil or cuckoo. Coil makes a sweet sound like kuhu, kuhu. Next bird says, "Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the sky I fly, Vulture is what I am called by." This is the picture of vulture. Vultures eat dead animals. When dead animals are kept in open or thrown away in open, vultures eat those dead animals, and in this way they keep the environment clean. Next bird says, "My beak is pink, feathers grey, gutter goo I go on all day. In houses I make my home, a pigeon is how I am known." Pigeons have pink beak and grey feathers. This is the picture of pigeon. Now, gutter goo is the sound made by pigeons. Pigeons make their nest in houses. Next bird says, "My beak is very special, I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home, the sparrow bird is how I am known." This is the picture of sparrow. Now, some sparrows make their nest by stitching the leaves. They have very special beak, they use it like a needle. The sparrows which make their nest by stitching leaves are also called tailor birds. Next bird says, "In trunk of trees holes I make, hidden insects I intake. Tuk 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 I work all day, the woodpecker is what people say." Woodpecker. This is the picture of woodpecker. Woodpeckers make holes in trunk of the trees and they eat hidden insects inside those trunks. Now when the woodpecker makes a hole in trunk of tree, the sound they made is tuk tuk tuk. Next bird says, the owl says, "Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep." The woodpecker says, "Dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting." Oh, the owl said, "Stop this hullabaloo. Why are you quarreling? We are all special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different, yet we are all birds. Owl says that diversity in birds is what makes them special in their own ways. Every bird has different claws, different feathers, and they make different sounds. They have different eating habits, and this is what makes them special in their own way. Owl says, if we all looked alike, ate the same food, and made the same sounds, think how dull the world would be. Owl says, if everyone looked alike and ate the same food and made the same sounds, then world would have been very dull. Owl says that the diversity in birds, such as they have different claws, they have different beaks, they have different feathers, and they make different sounds. Also, every bird has different eating habits, and this is what makes them special. The diversity in birds is what makes the world beautiful. Thank you for watching.